Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete your Bigo Live account. To do so, first of all, go into your Bigo Live account and make sure you are logged into your current account. And after that, make sure to log into your account. Just go on to settings. To do so, first of all, go on to Me, which is on the bottom right side of the screen. After you are on your Me, your profile will open up, and here's a setting on the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings, and after that you'll be on settings, and just scroll down until you see an option for account management. Here's an account management. Now scroll down until you see an option for account ownership, and on the bottom here you can see an option for delete account again. Click on delete account, and now it will say to safety verification to verify that your Google binding account has been verified. Now simply click on next, and after that give it some time to load, and it will load up on the screen. And here it has shown you a screen of account deletion or delete conditions. Now it is checking some conditions for your account to be deleted. Wait for it to load up. As you can see, it has shown me a condition passed screen. And now you can just click on confirm and continue, and then your account will be deleted from Bigo Live. And this is how you can delete your account on Bigo Live. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.